Hello, friends. This is Ivan, and I have memorized a story, and that I would like to share with you here. Yeah. So that story name is The Crafty Ass. Once, a hungry wolf wandered in the jungle. Oh, I can't bear these pangs anymore. Another day without food, and I will die. He sat beside a stone, groaning. He was so weak that he could not even walk properly. Suddenly, the wolf chuckled. Ah, my food comes there. He spotted an ass grazing at a distance. Gingerly, the wolf approached his prey. Engrossed in grazing, the ass did not notice the wolf heading towards him, and the wolf came right in front of him. Arr, danger. The ass got scared, but he did not show his danger to the wolf. The ass folded his left hind leg and pretended to be lame. Now the wolf thought, the prey can't run away. That makes my job easy. The wolf, the wolf came near the ass and asked in a soft voice, "What's the matter, friend? You seem to be in pain." The ass gently lifted his head and replied, "There is a thorn piercing in my left foot. I am not able to take it out. The pain is now killing me." "Let me see," said the wolf. "In fact, sympathy. It won't be easy. So far, many have tried to take it out, but in vain. I think there is no way to get rid of this pain." The ass moaned, "I can't see you suffer. Oh, friend, there is only one solution now. Let me eat you up and relieve you of this pain forever," suggested the wicked wolf. "That's fine, oh kind friend, but don't you think the thorn will pierce your throat, and what if it gets stuck in your mouth?" said the ass. That's indeed a big problem," worried the wolf at this. The ass said calmly, "Let's give it a last try. I think you are wiser and mightier than the others. You can probably remove the thorn from my foot," said the ass. "Yes, just wait and see how I do it," boasted the wolf. And then he went behind the ass foot. Taking a closer look, he asked, "Where is the thorn?" "There, right at the center," said the ass. And just as he brought his face close to the ass foot, the clever ass gave him a mighty whack with his hind leg. In an instant, the wolf was flung up high in the air, and the next second he crash landed on the ground. The ass's presence of mind saved him from the wolf, and the wolf was rightly punished for his wickedness. Thank you very much to listen me, and I'm here to improve my English, and I'm looking for English partners who are really want to learn English and who really want to practice. Please contact to me. I have mentioned my number also. Thank you very much again. Bye.